The fuel consumption version of Haval dRaptors has been officially introduced, and the vehicle is expected to go on sale at the end of May. The appearance and interior design of the Haval Raptors fuel version, the new power version of the Haval Raptors series, is different from the Haval Raptors PHEV on sale. In terms of power, the 2.0T turbo engine is paired with a transverse 9-speed wet dual-clutch transmission. The official guide price of the Haval Raptor PHEV currently on sale is 165,800 to 192,800 yuan. Designed as a compact SUV with certain off-road capabilities under the Haval brand, the Haval Raptor series initially launched only the PHEV plug-in hybrid version. Based on the real vehicle, the front face of the Haval Raptor fuel version has been redesigned, equipped with a flat waterfall-style air intake grille and a rectangular headlight group. At the same time, the size of the Haval font has been further reduced. While the Haval Raptor fuel version remains true to the square box body shape, the front and rear surrounds, side skirts and other locations are still covered with wide and rough decorative parts to enhance the vehicle's tough exterior image. In addition, the Haval Raptor fuel version supports compatible 19-inch wheels and tires, and the traditional mechanical door handle design is also available. At the rear of the vehicle, the Haval Raptor fuel version features a newly designed rear taillight assembly, while the trunk lid opens to the side. In addition, the Haval Raptor fuel version offers two options: an external spare wheel and a storage backpack. The storage backpack has a carrying capacity of 15 kilograms. According to official data, the Haval Raptor fuel version has an approach angle of 25 degrees, a departure angle of 32 degrees, a maximum water fording depth of 580 millimeters, and a total trailer weight of 1,600 kilograms, and is considered a trailer. In addition, the Haval Raptor fuel version is available in 5 different paint options: moss rock green, ink Jiangnan gray, moonlight white, mysterious night black, and cloud stream gray. Looking at the body dimensions, the length, width and height of the Haval Raptor fuel version are 4800/1950/1843 mm, and the wheelbase is 2,738 mm, respectively. In the interior, the Haval Raptor fuel version continues the hardline design trend. The instrument panel uses many hard lines to emphasize the angularity, and the rivet elements are left exposed. On this basis, the Haval Raptor fuel version offers a full LCD display and a large-sized floating central control screen, matching the Coffee OS 3.0 smart cockpit. Compared with the current Haval Raptor PHEV, the Haval Raptor fuel version adopts a new 2-spoke multifunction steering wheel and electronic handshift, and the design layout of the central channel functional area is synchronously adjusted. The control knob is shifted forward and a storage compartment is added to the original position. In addition, the Haval Raptor fuel version also offers features such as HUD head-up display, front row mobile phone wireless charging, front seat heating, 360-degree panoramic view plus 180-degree transparent chassis. However, the configuration details of the final model to be launched are subject to Haval's official announcement. In terms of power, the Haval Raptor fuel version has a 2.0T turbo engine that produces 175 kilowatts of maximum power and 385 Newton-meters of peak torque. The transmission system is paired with a transverse 9-speed wet-type dual-clutch transmission. The official 0 to 100 km/h acceleration time of the vehicle is 8.1 seconds, and its comprehensive fuel consumption under WLTC conditions is announced as 8.65 liters/100 kilometers. In addition, the Haval Raptor fuel version has an electronically controlled 4-wheel drive system and a rear axle electronically controlled mechanical gear-type differential lock as standard, which enables 100% torque output between the wheels on both sides of the rear axle.